A new United Nations global report says over 930 million tons of food is thrown away in Western every year. Iran has reiterated that the 2015 nuclear deal is not renegotiable. Italy blocked export of Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine shipment to Australia. The UN Security Council will meet in New York on Friday to discuss the situation in Myanmar and measures against the military junta. In Turkey, 11 soldiers, including a senior officer, have died as a military helicopter crashed in the country's east. In Afghanistan, at least 14 people have been killed following a major avalanche in the Rajasthan district. In India, Punjab Minister Navjot Singh Sidhu says the new controversial agricultural laws imposed by the Modi regime will lead to auctioning of land in India, Punjab and leave its residents as slaves. The United States has reiterated its commitment to an Afghan-led and Afghan-owned peace settlement in Afghanistan.